Let's take a look at this example. The very first thing which I'm going to do, I'm going to convert the radical to the exponent form. Okay, so I have y is equal negative 2x to power 5 over 4. Next, I'm going to use the formula for the derivative of a constant times a power of x. Means I'm going to use this formula, and I'm going to write dy over dx is equal derivative of negative 2x power 5 over 4 over dx. Okay, this is equal my constant, which is equal negative 2, has to go to the front. Okay, so I have negative 2 times exponent n. So I have 5 over 4 times x and exponent minus 1. My exponent is 5 over 4. 5 over 4. Because this is fraction, you're supposed to subtract fraction. So in order to create 1, I'm supposed to take this denominator, 4, and write simply 4 in the numerator, because 4 divided by 4 is equal 1. So this is my n minus 1. This is equal 2 and 4, they are going to reduce each other by 2, and I'm going to have negative 5 over 2x, and I have 5 minus 4 is equal 1, so I have 1 over 4. Okay, this is one of my answers. Also, I can write this as negative 5 over 2, and I have 4th root of x. Okay, or you can simply write that this is negative 2.5 4th root of x. Either answer is correct. So we can say that we solved the problem.